Hi guys, this is AJ from Capistrano Mazda, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on your Mazda vehicle. Let's go check it out. Here in Mazda infotainment system, you simply go to your applications. Over there, you have your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto depending on which type of phone you have. And there it is, your screen appearing right in front of you. You have access to your phone, your messages, even your music. I'm gonna show you how to send text message. It's super easy, even works in my accent. I simply go to messages.
Okay, to whom?
Kevin Doris.
What do you want to say?
What's for dinner?
Your message to Kevin Doris says, "What's for dinner?" Ready to send it?
Send it.
I'll send it.
Now I want to show you how the phone system works. You simply go to phone.
Who do you want to call?
Kevin Doris.
Calling Kevin Doris.
And there it is, without even a single touch.